Hey, Tom. Hmm? Yeah, what is it, Fred? Why is there a beehive in the apartment? Don't know, you know. How the fuck do you not know? The only weird occurrences happen when you're around. That sentence didn't make sense, man. Well, shut up. You're English, so, you know. Anyway, could you please do me a favor and get rid of the damn beehive in our living room? See, I was gonna make coffee. I was gonna make the pristinest coffee in this very low luxury, low rent apartment we have. I don't want to know. Well, how about this? When you do weird occurrences, how about you think about everything else? I mean, just think about it. You have no job. I can barely keep a job. And the FBI keeps knocking at my door every week, telling me how you've been and what weird occurrences have happened so far. And I only get the compensation of $100. You think that's fair? And not to mention Thanksgiving. Oh, I can't wait for that to come around. Ooh, what are my family gonna think when they come here? They're gonna think you're a weirdo and I'm a loser. So deal with the beehive before I kill someone. Would you? I wanna make tea though. You will not make tea until you get rid of the beehive. Can I at least have a suit? Cover yourself in bed sheets. That's the best option. Bye-bye now, I've gotta go to work. See ya, Tom, and get rid of the beehive, please. How about when you know now? Fine. Thank you. You listen to something I say. See ya.